We have another problem, that is the third one. Find the equation of circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 having the center at 2 comma 3. This is also similar problem which we discussed in previous video. So that is, find the equation of circle passing through 2 comma minus 1. So they clearly they are given one circle, they have passing through the 2 comma minus 1 and having the center is 2 comma 3. So the h comma k value is 2 comma 3 and x comma y value is nothing but 2 comma minus 1, and we have to find the radius, then we get the circle equation. Now here the center is 2 comma 3 and the circle passing point P is 2 comma minus 1. So the distance between these 2 points, we know that the distance between the 2 points formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula belonging to the 1b. So locus chapter we discussed this formula. Distance between 2 points, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here x2 minus x1 whole square means 2 minus 2 whole square and 3 minus of minus 1 is plus. So 2 minus 2 become 0, 3 plus 1 is 4. The square root will be cancelled, to get the value is 4. So the required circle equation, the standard form of circle equation, we know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h whole square, so h value is 2 plus y minus k value is 3 is equal to r square, the r value is 4. So square is 4 square. So by doing here x square plus y square minus 2ab minus 4x minus 2ab again minus 6y, and here 4 plus 9 13 and 4 square is 16, 13. So 16 we have the right side. When you take the left side of equal to get the sign change will be changed, the 16 sign will be changed. So that value become negative. So 13 minus 16 we get minus 3. So clearly x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0, which is our required circle equation. Okay. Now next question, we have the another one. Find the equation of the circle passing through the minus 2 comma 3 having the center at 0 comma 0. Find the equation of circle passing through minus 2 comma 3 having center at 0 comma 0. So clearly previous problem which we discussed, simply distance between 2 points is nothing but radius. Okay. 2 points distance between is nothing but radius. So minus 2 comma 0 minus 2 whole square is 4. 3 comma 0 whole square, 3 minus 0 whole square means 9. 4 plus 9 is nothing but 30. So we have that x square and y square equal to 13. The center is 0 comma 0. So here the value is plus 1. We have to correct it down. So here pin twist will be there. So when you are going to take the notes, you have to correct these value is plus. Here the value is plus. Okay, you have to note it down. This value is plus. Okay, they are given small print mistake. Okay, now next problem, that is find the value of a. 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. So they clearly given, find the value of a, the given on circle equation, that is represents circle, and find its radius. So the equation of second degree ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a circle. So in a second degree equation, already previous classes videos we discussed, when a second degree equation it represents a circle, it must satisfy some of the properties, that is nothing but a equal to b and h equal to 0 and g square plus h square minus c greater than or equal to 0. So every guy have to note down and remember it. When a second degree equation, if we say that it is a circle, it must satisfy three conditions. That is first one, a equal to b and h equal to 0 and g square plus h square minus c greater than or equal to 0. Now by they are given equation 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle. So here a equal to 2 because x square coefficient is a. So here x square coefficient is a. So we should write down here the a value is 2. A value is 2 and the equation 2x square and here a value substitute 2y square minus 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So by dividing with 2 this equation x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x and 2 by 2 is 1 and minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now here the center g equal to minus 3 by 2 and f equal to 1 by 2 and the constant value is minus 1 by 2. So c equal to minus 3 comma minus f. So this minus become plus. So 3 by 4 and this is minus 1 by 2. So that is minus 1 by 2. The radius formula g square plus h square minus c. When you substitute all the values, we get the under root 21 by 4. So that is the here required the answer. Okay.